In this video we're going to show how to remove one of the chain links. So using the special tool here, we can start to remove the chain link out. Take the chain off the sprockets and remove it from the rear hub. Now that allow the chain to be separated. And then to reassemble the chain, just do the opposite side from where we loosened the chain from. Make sure to push the pin all the way back to the center of the chain link. And once the link's back in the middle, the pin's back in the middle, we can start by putting the chain back together. Just position the chain back over the front sprocket and the rear hub.